So last time we were working on the wheel pan, but we ran out of gas with the welder. So all the welds that we did, they look like crap. So we're gonna clean them up and re-weld it.
Alright guys, so now we're gonna have to grind out what we've welded before. And we tried welding a little bit. It looks like it's working out okay, but someone's gonna have to be on the other side because there's constantly like a little fire, and we're gonna have to put out the fire, but it should be good.
Good?
I just saw it fly up in my eye.
Dang.
Good though, good.
So face shield?
Face shield would be nice.
Cleaned up good.
Where's the hammer?
Out here.
And the clippers. Are you ready to put out fires?
I'm gonna be putting out the fires of the undercoating. Just do it like a couple inches and then stop.
Okay. Fire?
No?
It was on my end. No fire. Nice.
Can you breathe in there?
Hot?
Can you breathe in there?
Kinda. Pretty rough. Okay, let's continue welding this thing.
Got a fire.
Okay. There we go. Okay, ready to weld.
Fire!
That was a pretty decent line from here to here. I caught the bubble and I was just like dragging it. I want to see how you weld. Alright, so I'm going to put on the mask so you can weld, and I'll put out the fire. Where are you welding at?
Huh?
Where are you welding?
Pretty much in the back. Where you ended? I have a couple inches left. Good. Well, we made it around.
Nice.
Slowly but surely.
So give me the light now so you can patch the holes.
Yeah. Well, I might need a light still.
Okay, then never mind.
Well,
Take it, take it.
no, give me the smaller one. I'll turn it on and off. Well, take this one first. Okay.
Hold on. Light? Oh.
That's making it worse. Oh my god. The wire's going through. The wire went through the hole.
No, go weld around, get it hot, and then keep going around in circles and getting closer and closer.
Alright, what do we do?
Alright guys, so this was honestly our second time welding, and it looks scary, but we gotta start somewhere. You're gonna see the welds right now.
40-year-old car.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
The metal is just really thin and it's really hard to weld, and when there's a gap between one metal and the other one, it's very easy for fire to start. So we did what we could. We're just gonna next time grind off everything, check for holes, weld the holes, grind it again, and then we'll just Bondo it. Very little Bondo, primer, paint,
I think we could probably just use seam sealer.
or seam sealer. That's an idea. So
Yeah. Alright,
here's our welds.
I want to see it. Should I just show the good ones or the bad ones?
If you can find a good one,
Well,
show them.
yeah,
the
that's
good
where
one.
we fix the holes. It's not too bad, but yeah, it doesn't look like amazing. Basically, I think the undercoating is an issue, and maybe it's stopping it from having a good weld. But
I mean, it's catching
but
fire.
then it gets on fire, and here I could probably show it even underneath here. Like it just looks like a it looks like there was a fire at one point, but it's all out. So that's the progress. We're gonna need to probably clean that all off.
I mean, I think it's pretty solid in there though. Like, it's not going anywhere.
Mm-hmm. Hit it. Oh.
Yeah, it's part of the car now.
Yeah.
So we did our job. It's welded. No one said we're gonna do it pretty.
Well, that was the hardest part.
Yeah, well,
Onto the wrist.
next week should be doing gas tank. So doing a lot more bodywork stuff. We still haven't finished engine stuff yet. We're waiting on an alternator from a buddy of ours, and yeah, stay tuned.
For the record, ain't trying to make no toleration.